Okay, so this one, as you can see, is some salmon. We've got steamed salmon today. I'm serving this with a nice lettuce and some blueberries with a little bit of sesame seed and sesame oil on. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to steam some salmon. Now, if you don't want to steam it, you can poach it, i.e. you can put it into the water, but I've got a bamboo steamer and we're going to do it that way. So as you can see, I've got some water in there. Let's get the heat on. And what we're going to do here is I want to flavour the water. So I'm going to drop in bay leaves. I've got some ginger here, which I've just sliced. You can do this without the flavouring, but steaming it with this stuff in makes a big difference, you know. I've got some lime here, lemon or lime. Squeeze, and in that goes. Then I've got some star anise. Lovely, lovely flavour. And there I've got some Szechuan peppercorns. So they're not the same as black peppercorns, normal black peppercorns, although you could put them in as well. Going to get some salt in there. And then what we've got here now is a nice flavoured water. So bring that to the boil, then we can talk about the fish. We'll get onto that next. Now, if you wanted, you can put some galangal in there, some garlic, some lemongrass, things like that that are just really sort of lovely and fragrant. And as it steams, we'll put some lovely flavour into our fish. All right, so the water's boiling away. This is my bamboo steamer. Now, it's bamboo, obviously, but you can use a metal one, or I think you can get plastic ones as well. But yeah, and it's got a lid on it. As you can see, the steam will come through there. Let's prep this up, very simple. So you can see what I've done here is I've just laid out, I've cut these nice and thin. I'm using lime, but you could use lemon if you want. And then I've just got some ginger. Again, fairly thin slices. And this is going to act as a bed for our fish. And again, loads more lovely flavours going to go into it. So a bit of ginger in there. And then I've got it's about 800 grams this. Nice fillet of salmon. Skin is on. You can be skin on or off, it's up to you. And we're going to lie that on top there. Doesn't that look pretty? A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt, not too much at all. And then we're ready. Once the water boils, we're ready to go. Okay, so our water's boiling now and we're seeping all those loveliness in there to give it some lovely fragrance as it comes through. Like I say, you don't have to do that. You can do this just with plain water and just actually steam it. But I think this makes a bit of a difference. Right, on she goes. And then the lid goes on. You can see the steam coming through there already. For that sized fish, I'm guesstimating right now, but I think that's going to be about 9 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off of this, shall we? Obviously, I've got a little steam out of there. It's going to go on the camera. But that looks absolutely divine. Really, really good. Okay, so the salmon is done. I've got a lovely plate full of some lettuce here. This is a oak leaf, I think they call it, a red oak leaf. We're going to get our fish on there, then we're going to add a few other little bits. Okay, here we go. There's that beautiful fish on there. Really nice. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to add, I've got some sesame oil here, which is going to go on. Nice nutty flavour. Just a little drizzle there. Some sesame seeds. And then quite unusual but beautiful, I've got some fresh blueberries. A lovely, lovely little mix this is. And this is going to be my lunch today. And I'm super, super happy with it. Really happy. Give it a go. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.